The bells are ringing. Greetings, Chopsticks. It's Odin Von Zero, and today I'm going up the Skylift Park to the SkyBridge. I have not done this yet. Got to think of it, I don't think I've ever done the Skylift here in Gatlinburg, which is weird because this is one of the oldest attractions in the town here. The original posts of the original Skylift before the fires. Looking to the side, you can see a lot of blackened stumps. The original top of it was destroyed in the Gatlinburg fires in 2016, and from that they rebuilt and added this giant bridge. And welcome to the top. Alright, here comes the fun part. Ready for a little walk? Here we go. Very windy. Let's take a look at the Gatlinburg side. Oh man. Breeze blowing. Keep it held in my hat. Wow. Wow. Windy and bouncy. So you know this is my hand and this is me. Don't look down, don't look down, don't look down. I said don't look down! Alright, we did it. Back and forth across the SkyBridge, and nobody vomited, as far as I know. Whew. Back down the hill. Coming in for a landing. Yay! I think I might go for a little something to calm my nerves over next door. Until next time, we'll see you further on down the trail. Of Gatlinburg 20.